Morning, everybody. This is Brian Hitzelberger, your art appreciation instructor for AD 255, spring semester 2021 here at Purdue. This is week 6, and our discussion this week is entitled Psychology, Advertising, and You. So this week I actually include an artwork in your discussion, which is Heidi Cody's American Alphabet, where one letter from a series of brand names is taken and organized into an alphabet. All you need to see is a single letter from a brand of a product in order to fairly quickly identify what that product is. It's a pretty incredible piece because what it does is it illustrates immediately how deeply advertising affects our lives and our psychology. Okay? So for your discussion this week, I would like you to actually reflect on your life as a consumer and somebody who exists in a visual culture. And I want you to think about a piece of advertising that has made an effect on you. It could be a positive effect, it could be a negative effect, it could just be a lasting effect. But it's a piece of advertising that is actually imprinted on you and stuck in your memory in some way. And I want you to introduce us to this piece of advertising. It could be a piece of print, it could be a commercial. It should be visual. It shouldn't be something that it shouldn't be like a commercial for a podcast or radio or something like that. It should be visual. But introduce us to that piece of advertising in your post and put yourself in the mind of the designer who made it. Why did they choose the colors that they used? Why did they choose the imagery that they used, the sound that they employed? Think about how this artwork, because of course a piece of advertising is designed and therefore it's a work of art, why has it come together to actually, in the way that it does, in order to produce the effect that it does? It had some kind, the ultimate purpose of a piece of advertising is to produce a lasting impression. Right? You want to combine image and text or sound with a product in order to actually create a lasting impression in you, the potential consumer. So if you are able to remember it at all, it has on some level been successful. And I want you to ask yourself why. Why has it been successful? And put yourself in the minds of the people who made it and write about that from the designer's perspective. As usual, your posts are going to be around 4 minutes. They are due on midnight on Thursday, and your 2 responses to your peers' post will also be due midnight on Sunday. Thank you so much, and as always, I look forward to seeing your videos.